Rage us around like an ocean in my head, because there.
Alright guys, so I've got the new MANFROTTO PIXI Smart Mini Tripod, and I opted for the one with the mobile phone clamp to it too. I can't believe people are still using these blister packet 2020, man. Seriously. Anyway, let's have a look. First word of warning, the packaging is not very friendly. It's actually breaking into these sharp plastic shards. I've got a couple of them here. Warning. Be careful when you're opening this one up.
Find me in the corner of the room, not ready to resume, 'cause like I'm taking, don't wanna be alone, but I'm not in the zone. I'm looking for somebody, I'm looking for somebody,
What's up guys, welcome back to Persian Prince Vlogs. This is another Tech Tuesday video. I hope you guys are gonna like this one because I certainly had a great time making this video. So today I'm taking a look at the MANFROTTO PIXI Mini Tripod, and I've had one of these before, which is the larger one, which you can see there behind me, which is the Evo version, but I'll save that for another video. So if you guys aren't already subscribed, check out my channel, check out the playlists, and look forward to that video coming soon. But today is all about the PIXI Mini Tripod. And I first bought the larger Evo version, but it just wasn't for vlogging. And then I found most of the shots I was taking where I needed it, taking food photography or videos, trying to get some nice B-roll footage, too big for what I needed it to be. Before we get into the specs and all the nitty-gritty about this tripod, let's just start off by saying I bought this from Amazon. I bought this one brand new. The tripod itself cost £20, and as of the date I'm filming this, the smartphone clamp, which is an optional extra, alone costs £13.51. So I bought the two of these things together in a bundle. My thought process was that I'm gonna buy the smartphone clamp later on because I still use my iPhone for really tricky photography and hard to fit spaces where the camera lens, which my lens is huge, and just won't fit in there. If I buy it later on, I'll end up spending more money than I will now. So I bought the two together and I made a saving. So here I have the PIXI Mini, and as you can see, it's very small, it's very compact, which is what I like, and it's also quite lightweight too, which is also great for vlogging. And I bet some of you are thinking, he's gonna hit his camera any minute now. I'm not. I haven't tested throwing it up before, but it is very light. It's got rubber grooves on the bottom as well, so when you put it down on a flat surface, it doesn't slip away. Actually, I think I might just show that to you now. I'm putting a lot of decent amount of pressure on that. That is not moving. And this is a glossy surface. That's a really big plus because you don't want your camera slipping around anywhere. Now this is the one feature which I really love about this, is that it has a button here on the front, rather than the other one which is like a screwing mechanism, and when you're vlogging and you're trying to, let me adjust the angle and get the shot I need, and you gotta twist it and you're doing everything, and it's crazy. This one on the other hand, you just press the button and the ball head will just swivel 360 degrees But also if you are vlogging, you can just press the button in, adjust the angle so it's at 45 degrees, hold it out this way, and now you've got some extra length between yourself and your camera when you're at arm's length. So the Pixi Mini can hold a maximum weight capacity of 1 kilograms, which is very hefty, I have to say. You've got to have a decent rig going on with your camera there. And I'm pretty sure if your system setup weighs 1 kilogram, you're not vlogging with that. But just for reference, I'm using the Canon M50 with the Sigma 16mm f1.4 Canon mount lens. Altogether weighs 889 grams, and it certainly is able to withstand that weight. And that's just the camera lens and the body. Then I've usually got a light attached to it, a microphone, a Rode mic, which I've also got videos on, so go check that out. I've got my ND filter on my camera, and this thing has held up very nicely. So the weight of the actual tripod of the Pixi Mini weighs 190 grams, just in case any of you are wondering about the weight of the actual tripod alone. And when you attach the phone mount clamp to it, that weighs at about 215 grams. And the screw on the top, it's your standard 1/4 inch screw, perfect for DSLRs, mirrorless cameras and point and shoot cameras. And lastly, I've got the actual phone clamp itself. So as you can see by design, these two match really nicely. They're both red and black. The phone mount at the back, it has its own kickstand to it, as you can see there. And when you open that out, you can put that down on a flat surface, and you can attach your phone to it too. To be honest, you don't even need to attach that to the tripod itself. If you wanted to, you could literally just use that as a kickstand for your phone wherever you go. So I definitely recommend you guys check out the links down below where you can buy both of them together. And if anyone was wondering what it looks like with the phone mount attached to it, there's the tripod, phone mount attached to it with my iPhone 11 Pro. It's just, it feels so nice to hold this in your hand. I like it. I like it a lot. And guys, I could not be happier. This has proved to be the winner for me. And that guy's still back there, so. But yeah, I'll make a video on that later on. So like I said, if you're not subscribed, please do check out my channel. Check out the playlist where I've got plenty more videos and plenty more Tech Tuesdays. Hit the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next Tech Tuesday. Peace.